Jinja is a template engine that makes it easy to build text-based templates like HTML, XML, or even plain text using special placeholders. When you render a template, these placeholders get swapped out for real values. There are three main types of placeholders you'll use in Jinja. First, double curly braces are used to insert values or expressions right into your template. Next, curly braces with percent signs are for writing logic, like loops or if statements. And finally, curly braces with a hash symbol are for comments, which won't appear in the final output. These placeholders let you turn plain templates into dynamic content, automatically filling in values and handling logic for you. Here's a simple HTML template. It displays the value of message count, and based on that number, it decides whether there are a lot of messages or not. Now, let's look at the Python code that passes the value to this template. First, we import the necessary functions from the Jinja 2 library. Then, we set up an environment that loads templates from a folder called templates. After that, we load our index.html template and render it, passing in the value for message count. In this example, we set message count to 10. When we render the template, Jinja replaces the placeholder with the actual value and runs the conditional logic. Jinja is commonly used with backend programming languages to create dynamic user interfaces using HTML. You'll see it a lot with popular Python frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI. Here, I have some Python code using the FastAPI web framework. Let me walk you through what's happening here. First, we import all the necessary modules from FastAPI. Then we create our FastAPI app instance. Next, we initialize Jinja 2 templates and point it to our templates directory. Now here's the interesting part. We create an API endpoint that takes a value from the URL. When someone visits items page followed by a number, our function gets triggered. Instead of returning plain JSON like most APIs, we're returning an HTML response using our Jinja template. The template response function takes three things: the request object, the name of our HTML template file, and a context dictionary where we pass our data. In this case, we are passing the value from the URL as message count to our template. So if someone goes to the items page and passes the number 15, the template will receive message count as 15, and Jinja will replace all the placeholders in our HTML with that value. That concludes our introduction to Jinja, the powerful template engine that transforms plain text templates into dynamic, data-driven content. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.